Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Super Robot Wars Y crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen, won't launch, or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, right click on Super Robot Wars Y game and select properties. In the launch option, type -DX11 and then close the tab. Then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then this time type -DX12 and then close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties. In the launch option, type -windowed in launch option and then check. If it's still not working, then remove this command from this launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Second solution is to run Super Robot Wars Y as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Super Robot Wars Y game and click on manage browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path is C drive program files x86 Steam apps common srwy folder. Now right click on Super Robot Wars Y exe file and select properties, then go to compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then you have to modify the compatibility settings. So again go to the compatibility tab, tick mark run this program in compatibility mode from drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then you can launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to compatibility tab and this time select disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now when you check mark all these three boxes and still your problem is not solved, then untick these three boxes, hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to allow Super Robot Wars Y through firewall and antivirus program. So in Windows search for Windows Security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps and then browse to C drive program files x86 Steam apps common srwy folder. Select Super Robot Wars Y exe file and click open to add it to the list. Then go back. Then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. Then click on browse and then browse to C drive program files x86 Steam apps common srwy folder. Select Super Robot Wars Y exe file and add it. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked and then click OK to save changes. And then you can launch the game and check. And now if you have installed any third-party antivirus programs such as Kaspersky, AVG, Komodo, Avast, Bitdefender, then you have to allow this Super Robot Wars Y exe file through the antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then you can launch the game and check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fifth solution is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card to the latest version and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having AMD graphic card driver, then go to AMD website. If you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to NVIDIA website, and if you are having Intel graphic card, then go to the Intel website. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA official website, and once you are on the NVIDIA site, here you have to select your version of graphic card driver. So remember this, and then select the Windows operating system, then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. Remember this, and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, you can restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Now click on add desktop app and then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps common, srwy folder. Select Super Robot Wars Y exe file and click on add. After adding it, expand it, click on drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance, and then you can launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to verify game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Super Robot Wars Y and select properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the files you can launch the game and check. Eighth solution is to close conflicting unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Threadmaster racing wheel and the task for MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of a tab to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Ninth solution is to disable overlays. So go to your Steam library, right click on Super Robot Wars Y, go to properties, then turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow, Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. 10th solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website, link is provided in the video description, and once you are on this site, scroll down, click on x86 version and then click on x64 version, download both the version. Now double click x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install. Click yes to allow. Then click on x64 version, also double click it. Now again if you see install option, then install it. If you see repair option, then repair it. Click yes to allow. And once both the x86 and x64 version gets installed on your PC, you can launch the game and check if a problem is fixed or not. 11th solution is to install DirectX. So go to this official website of Microsoft, link is provided in the video description, and once you are on this website, then click on download, then double click it to run this exe file and install it, and after the installation of DirectX you can launch the game and check. 12th solution is to update Windows. Click on Windows icon, go to settings, on the left click on Windows update, then click on check for updates, and if you find any updates available for your Windows PC, then download and install them, and then you can launch the game and check. 13th solution is to uninstall and reinstall Super Robot Wars Y game. Now if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to simply uninstall Super Robot Wars Y game from your PC. Delete all the files and folders related to this game from your PC. Then restart your PC once and then fresh reinstall the game. You can install in SSD and then check. If you have installed the game in local drive earlier, then this time try to install on external drive and then check. And if you have installed the game on external drive earlier, then this time try to install in local drive C drive and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix this Super Robot Wars Y game crashing at a startup, crashing to desktop, not launching, won't launch, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.